It's another quick tip Tuesday, guys. I'm going to show you how to dress up your spaghetti sauce. It's going to impress even your mother-in-law. Let's get started. Go ahead and brown up your ground beef or your sausage, your Italian sausage, whichever it is you intend to use. While that's browning up, you want to chop up some celery, onion, mushrooms, bell peppers, black olives. You can even use green olives, or you can add any other vegetable that you want. Zucchini, yellow squash, just anything will do. Add a dash of olive oil, put your onions, your celery, and your bell peppers in there, and you're going to saute it a little bit with your meat. I'm going to go ahead and add a chopped clove of garlic in there and let that saute. Now I'm using the Hunt's pasta sauce traditional, guys. This is like a buck a can. Sometimes you can get it on sale. And then I'm going to use some diced tomatoes. Look how good that's looking. Now if you have any basil, fresh basil, I'd go ahead and add that too. I'm going to throw in my mushrooms, my black olives. Give it a good stir, guys, and simmer on low for about an hour or two. Make up your noodles, make them al dente. Put this beautiful meat sauce on top of your spaghetti, and I'll tell you what, people ain't gonna know no different, whether it's homemade or whether you used a base. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps out, guys. We're all about convenience, we're all about goodness, and we're all about fully flavored foods. Hit that subscribe button. Take care.